girl from the ghetto, hear my retro. Stepping at them dancing and claps. When the rest of them a beat them stiletto. When we step it off the echo, run through them city like a metro. Silencio, aye, we not no time for dirty bum.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Makeup by Sunrise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Make sure you click that red button down below to subscribe so you can join the crew and know what's going on with me always. Also, make sure you click that bell button to turn on all post notifications about me so you know what's going on. You already know the drill. I'm just going to be dabbling into a few of my eyeshadow palettes that I haven't really used in a long time. I haven't really done any like bright colorful looks in a very long time. So given that we're in spring, let's get back into it. So I'm going to be using the Juvia's palette, the Zulu eyeshadow palette today. So I'm going to go in first with the brown. That's right here. It's like a really nice chocolate brown. FYI, I already like put concealer on my eyelids and primed it with setting powder. There you go. So I'm going to use this fluffy brush. This is a e.l.f. brush. It's called the Flawless Concealer Brush, but I'm using it for my eyes. So I'm going to take a little bit at a time, and now I'm going to look into my mirror and start applying it on my eyelids because I want to apply this really fast. So that's why I'm using a bigger brush. So I'm just going to start doing right, just like this. Really fast, you already could start seeing the pigment and the color. So we're gonna add a little bit more and then move on. Next, I'm going into the little Tayaja XXV palette. I'm going to be using this like a berryish tone brown. So it's a brown color, but it has like a little reddish undertone where it looks like a plum or a deep berry, which is this color right here. I used a crease brush, and I kept most of the color on the outside right here. So I basically just continued to like make a C. So at first I kept my eyes open, used the color to go in the crease here, and then I brushed it out and kept most of the color on the outside. Once I was satisfied with the pigment, I then took whatever excess color that was already on here, I didn't add any more, and I just kind of like fused it with the first color that we used, which was our transition color. So I'm now going to do the same thing on my left side. I'm going to use some white concealer to create a cut crease. I'm going to be using the Juvia's palette version. Use a flat eyeshadow brush that's kind of like a painter's tool. It has a soft felt tip. It's pointed. It has shape. Use some small concealer on the back of your hand. The smaller the better, because then you'd be able to work with it. If you put a lot, it's going to take some time to like dry down. So you want to make sure you use as little as possible, but just enough.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to scroll. Now I feel like push you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
So now that you got your concealer down, you got the shade that you want, you can now apply your eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel London palette. I'm going to be taking this rusty orange color on the end. I'm going to be using, this is called the eyeshadow C brush. You just want to go back with your crease brush, pick up some of that that brown color that we used that was like a berry undertone to basically blend the edges of where the two colors meet. right now the eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna work on the waterline with you guys and add mascara and lashes, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so now that I finished my face, we're gonna go back into the Juvia's palette. I'm gonna be using this sparkly like turquoise blue. It almost matches my backdrop, so I'm gonna use this smaller flat brush as a felt tip. This is from the K, which is my local beauty supply store. I want to add it like in a tear duct area, but before I do that, I feel like I should put my color on the waterline first. So you know what? Just before, we're gonna use the LA Girl Neon Eyeliner. This is in the shade Electric Blue. I'm gonna put this on my waterline. Right. So a little pop of blue, and then like we should put a little bit of shadow underneath. So I'm gonna use the crease brush, the color that we have in the crease. I'm gonna place it right up underneath. To just make that blue pop. Start at the outer and just press and tap the color on. You don't want to smear it, and then you also don't want no fallout. Oh, see that? Same on the other side. We're gonna add the pop of color. Keep in mind, I did dampen the tip of my brush a little bit, just to, you know. good enough. So now, what I normally like to do is set my face and then put on mascara, because then I don't want it to bleed. So I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All-Nighter Matte Setting Spray. Mind you, most of my face looks pretty, you know, matte. You just want to secure this, so I don't want to do too much. But you don't want to lose your color. You just want a little sprinkle. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna be using 2 matte lipsticks. So this is from the Lip Bar. This is in the shade Low Key, and then this is from NYX Cosmetic in the shade Stockholm. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching and staying tuned. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you guys next time.